What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Like, subscribe, share, all that, man. I'm back. I got a new camera now. I'm happy. So we about to get it cracking now. Way more content, way more stuff coming. And yeah, man. So check out this video I'm about to do. If you got a Toyota Camry 2018, 2019, this one's for you, man. This one's for you. 9 times out of 10, your electric water pump's gonna go out and you're gonna need a new one. So show y'all the steps, show y'all how to do it, show y'all how to replace it. It's very simple. It's 4 screws. Take off the tensioner. Well, first you take off the tensioner for the belt. Take the belt off. Then you take out the 4 screws, take it off, put it back on. That's pretty much it. It's not too bad, not too hard. Any questions y'all got, holla at me, let me know. And I got you. But yeah, man, check out the video. All right, y'all, so today we're working on the 2019 Toyota Camry, and we're going to be changing the electric water pump, which is, you see that? Right there? Yeah, that's the electric water pump. So it's 4 bolts. Looks like 13 millimeters. It was a little connector that goes to it right here. So I took that off. So the connector's off now. And now I'm gonna get to the 4 bolts, the 4 13s. Take it off. And yeah. So let's get it, man. Alright, so now got all 4 of the screws off. Be able to wiggle it off and come off. So I guess I'm about to take the belt off. That's fine. I think that's a 13, so let me get to that. Take this belt off. Alright, so I got it out now, as you can see. This is the old unit. Look at that. Try to turn that, it's rough. Then the new unit, try to turn that like butter. So that's what happens. These old units, they get stuck and it goes out. So there you have that. That's trash. This is gonna be the new one. So now it comes with the gasket. Don't forget to replace the gasket. And then we'll start getting a new one in, and that'll be it. So all right, so yeah, put everything back in. Running the car now. Car is running good. No mishaps so far. Now I'm about to go take it out on the test drive. I'm letting it get warm. Go take it on the test drive. See if it overheats or not. And if it overheats, then yeah, we're gonna be back at step 1. But it don't look like it's gonna overheat from what it's looking like. So about to go out for a spin and come back, and I'll let y'all know what it do. Peace. All right, y'all, so I drove the car. Everything was good. Everything was working. It didn't overheat. There was no check engine light. Everything drives smoothly. Matter of fact, it actually drives better. And I did an update. I checked. That was like, what, a month ago? So I did a checkup a couple weeks ago, and the car's still running good, still fine. So we ain't got no complaints there, no problems. So job well done. Next, I would say, if you haven't had that problem, then I will replace it anyway, just as preventative maintenance, because it's for sure gonna happen. If you have that type of car, if you have that Camry, it's gonna happen. So just replace it as preventative maintenance, so that way you do not have to worry about it later. Because if you gotta worry about it later and you get stuck on the side of the freeway, you out with your girl on a date, or you on your way to work, or you know what I'm saying? You notice things always happen when something important happens. You know what I'm saying? So if you got some downtime, or while you got some downtime, take some time and replace that. You feel me? Make sure, you know what I'm saying, your car is A1. Because this is a Camry, man. It's going to last forever. You ain't got to worry about nothing. Besides spark plugs, oil change, and that, you're going to be fine, man. So change that so you ain't got to worry about nothing. Oh, yeah, man. Y'all stay safe out here. Y'all subscribe, like, share. I'm trying to run it up. You feel me? So subscribe to your boy. Let's get it.